I just ate shit on a bird. Hi guys, it's Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, what's up? If you aren't already, make sure to subscribe down below. So for this week's video, I'm going to be doing another little mini vlog for you guys. This one's actually going to be a weekend vlog because I'm going to Wisconsin this weekend, which is really random. But I wanted to vlog it for you guys because I'm going with all my friends and there's a huge football game and we're going to be tailgating, and I just thought it would be fun to show you guys. I'm actually leaving in 10 minutes, so I gotta go clean my hand from the bird. That was probably really graphic. You guys probably don't want to see blood as I show you guys the blood. Okay. I will see you guys in the car. Wisconsin, here we come. We're going to Wisco!
Wisco! Let's get that cheese! Let's get that cheese!
Yeah!
Wisconsin.
Someone commented saying they want to see more Blake in my vlog, so we're bringing him to Wisco.
Yes! Let's get this cheese, baby! Get this cheddar!
We're all here!
Yeah!
Blake's just taking a little nap, Sab, don't worry.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Sab, are you comfy, babe?
Oh, is it crushing you?
Like a little bit. We brought the cookies.
Wait, why is
Brought the goods. It used to be a cookie cake, now it's just...
Oh, should we show a picture? I have a picture.
This is what it originally looked like. Blake got her a little cake for
like
their
this.
anniversary. Yeah. Boom Chicka Pop is where it's at. Best. And this is the best flavor too. It's the light kind of corn. Al, how long does it feel like we've been on the road for?
Like 2 hours.
And how long has it actually been? 15 minutes!
15 minutes.
Oh, everything.
We ate all of our snacks already.
We're really not doing this good. There's two types of people.
Crush a bit, little bit, roll it up, take a hit, feeling like 2 a.m. summer night. I don't care, head on the wheel, drive.
This is the setup.
Let's drink some Red Bull. It's 8:38 in the morning. I need a chai.
A chai.
Chai. Wake up, it's game day!
We're all getting ready right now. Guys, Sophia is letting me wear these glasses. Alright. Yeah, Sophia. This Sophia's joke. So yeah. We're staying in Wisconsin and we're staying in her room.
Oh my god.
She's gonna take us to all the game day stuff.
We're going to Ape High.
Yeah.
Can't go to Beta because I'm wearing Beta Boys sweats.
Let me hold that. Can we make a music video, Paige?
Yeah. Let's make a music video.
Wait, the right one.
We got that way, we got that you
Yeah. Blake in the back.
Where? Red.
Blake, what time is it?
Game time.
We're actual college students because we bought a bucket of slime at Target. Here's my little OOTD. My jacket is I Am Gia, and then this bodysuit is Soph's. I have actually no clue where it's from. And then my jeans are Levi's. And yeah. Blake, where's your fit from?
Jersey is from.
We got the whole group.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go. She's our tour guide.
Starbucks.
Currently going to Starbucks. I'm so excited. It is so cold here. Game day! Game day! So we're going to the... We're in here trying to be a little more festive and get beanies. Oh, I think these are really cute. This one's really cute, or this one? Oh wait, this one? I can't believe we're buying these. Oh, that's really cute. Or this one. I feel like this one fits me weird. I feel like I look like an egg. I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Yeah. We're going back to the dorms, and then we're gonna go to a pregame, I think, after. Yeah. We're gonna have a good time. We just got Starbucks, you know, energized. Yeah, we got our coffee. We're good. Wisco, we're ready. We're ready for you, baby. We're ready. Behind the scenes. We're on our way to the tailgate. Let's go, baby. are such a nugget.
Here, babe.
Oh my God.
He hates Blake.
He hates Blake. Turtle. Guys, this is the frat's dog. Well, Katie's dog, but the frat's dog kind of now.
Dog mom.
Yeah. Okay, we just got back from the tailgate. We're about to get some food. Can't wait to move.
Sophia just felt
It was the
cute time.
best time.
Best time with my best.
This place looks so yummy.
And your salad, along with your dressing.
Alright, I got a chicken teriyaki bowl type of thing, and then shishito peppers.
She's out of your room?
I know. This place is so good. Okay, we just got our Starbucks. We're gonna go into the Urban Outfitters here, and we're just gonna walk around the town. It's so cute here.
I kind of want to get like
I found this super dope jacket. Wait, let me hang it up so you guys can see. How cool is that for when it gets a little colder in Indiana? I think it's so, so dope. Damage has been done. Getting so lost. We couldn't find Starbucks, and Starbucks is like a 2-minute walk. So send help. I think we're gonna be going out tonight to a couple parties, but then we're also gonna be getting dinner. So you guys will see all that. I'm gonna vlog everything, of course. And oh wait, we saw Jacqueline Blake. We just got 2 free vegetable egg rolls. Fun fact, Jacqueline and Blake are always eating. Okay, we're gonna see you guys later. Wait, guys, is it 4 or 5? Okay, update. Oh, we're currently all getting ready right now. There's like 7 girls in here and Blake, but we're all trying to do our makeup and our hair right now to go get ready for dinner, and then we're gonna go to a pregame and then a party. But yeah, you guys have all seen me do my makeup like 100 times, so I'm gonna do my makeup and then I will talk to you guys after. I just finished getting ready. It's our little OTDs. Stuff is so good. This is Sab's. I'm stealing it. Sorry, Sab.
Will you get in trouble for? I'll think you can do Sarah's boot camp.
Because you like introduced me to her.
I'm gonna freak out.
I know. On this side of the table. Cheers, vlog. We got the Wisco cheese. It was 10 out of 10. Okay, guys, what's up? We got back from dinner and I felt really sick from my food. I just did not feel good. Anyways, I'm feeling much better now, and we're gonna get cookies and clean up the dorm room just a little bit because we're really, really messy. I think it's a really great idea to get cookies, especially after I wasn't feeling well. Really good life decisions. Our cookies just got here. Oh,
Thank you.
yes, thank you. You're the best. Thank you.
Oh yes.
Yes. Clutch. Oh. I was expecting the presentation to be a little better after 3-hour wait, but like it's fine. Wow. 10 out of 10. We're on our way home. Peace out, Wisco. We found the cheese. Her cheese has a lot cooler than mine. Soph and I went shopping on our own right now, but I just want to tell all of our friends we found the cheese. We acquired the cheese. Bye. Okay, bye. Just wanted to update you guys. Yeah. Dance moves. Look, my friend can do the splits. Do it, Soph. Hey, you guys. Hi. Hi, Mom. I hurt myself on a bird. What? How do I clean it?
How'd you do that?
I fell.